Welcome to our channel Life Insights. Today we are going to discuss about what is this life all about. Any sincere and serious person will ask this question. It shows the level of intelligence a person has attained. In life, it is perhaps the most important question. If we ask this question, then we will have a better understanding about life. Life is the free gift given by the existence to all of us. So, it is very important to understand what is this life all about. When we try to understand our own mind and how our mind works, then all the dualities will disappear from our life. The conflicts and the negative aspect of life will disappear from our life. So, this question is very much significant in anybody's life. When we search into ourselves, when we go into ourselves, it will be clear that how our mind works. Mind is the only mechanism which we have got. With that only we are working. The day-to-day life is very much important. How we act in our day-to-day life is the most important aspect of life. As life has many dimensions, it is very difficult to put it in words. So, it is important to study our own mind. The person who studies the mind will become rich inwardly. This inward richness of life is very, very important. If we attain to this inward richness of life, we will get more treasures. We will come across all the aspects of life. Then life will become a song, a dance, and a celebration. Each and every moment will bring a different dimension of life. It is very difficult to tell all the aspects of life using our own words. Life is beyond the words. As mind creates divisions, life becomes full of problems. To solve all the problems, we must have a better understanding about our own life. If we have that understanding, that is what all about this divinity is. So those who are interested to have a better understanding will certainly ask this question, what is life? Life is godly if we understand it. If we don't understand it, then it will be having many conflicts. So to end the conflicts, we must have such an understanding by which a unity of life is born. In our channel, we will discuss about all those things which are required to have a better understanding.